So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and you can see that this image is full of noise right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and remove this noise. And if you want to do that, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then you need to go to enhance. And over here you can see that noise reduction is an option. So once you go around onto noise reduction, you can see that immediately it reduces out the noise a bit. But you can go around and change around the strength to decrease out the noise even further. So you can go around and you can see that without any strength there is noise, and as you increase it, you can see that it softens it out. You can go around onto preview right here and see the before and after with and without the noise, as you can see right here. And you can work around with the split view as well, and you can see the before and after just like this as well. So that is what you have. If I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with noise reduction inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.